Gajala Megalaya Hado Kashibaji Minsky Joka Arpasau Tregunai Lur Aja Arpo, Gradon Chispa Arpasau would keep Yatamayo COVID-19, but Chispa Kandai would keep Lakodno. Office of DHS Kalapinte Benakini Shispa Arpasau would keep Yatamai Madagasni, Shispa would Kirena East Castle District, Hakba Prang would Kirena Armed Force at Parliamentary Force. Sapukandai would Kihiris contact, Iway Bon Paina Barjala, Iway na Barapathar cluster, Iway na Anjali, Armwood na Beaver Road cluster, Nyongwood na IGP cluster, Langwood na Laban, Karwaywood na Maulai Putmori, Iway na Maupat, Henrywood na Mauprem, Langwood na Auckland Road, Iway na Police Bazaar, Iway na Pinthor, Langwood na Rilbong, but Armwood na Umlingka. Hinyongwood na Ripoy District, Hakaba Iway day nong treka Koikakia, Sunwood ki Hydros contact, but Iway Bon Paina Barjala. Iway na Southwest Khasias District, Ibadei Hydros contact, Hinyongwood ki day na North Garo Hills District, Hakaba Henryongwood ki day ki Hydros contact, but Iway Bon Paina Barjala. Iway na Southwest Garo Hills District, Ibadei Hydros contact, Sunwood na West Garo Hills District, Hakaba Iway day na Armed Force at Parliamentary Force, Armwood ki Hydros contact, but Armwood ki Bon Paina Barjala. Armwood na West Khas Hills District, Hakaba Iway day nong treka Koikakia, but Iway day Hydros contact. Iway par Iday na East Garo Hills District, Ibon Paina Barjala. Nagi Shispa Kandangot Kibakoidman Takasni, Shispa and Yopun Ringwood Kirena East Khas Hills District, Prangwood na West Garo Hills District, Henrywood na West Khasi Hills, Sunwood na Ripoy District, Arwood na West Giantia Hills, but Arwood na Southwest Khas Hills District. Kibaklat Mantakasni Kidon Iway. Ibadei na East Khasi Hills District. The Kajing Yothamai Kini Shispa Arpasangur, Kajing Kotno Shispa Kandai, but Kajing Klat no Iway, Kajala Megalaya Haribapimi Yakanika Kubor, Kadan San Hajar, Nyopu Prataliki positive case, Shiajar Kandai Spa Nyopinyotaliki active case, Lai Hajar Sanpu Prataliki recover case, but South Langut Kibla Klat no. Nakini Shiajar Kandai Spa Nyopinyotaliki active case, Ka East Castle District Kadan Shiajar Lai Spa Kandai Santali, Hakaba Shispa Saupu Armwood Kirenaka Armed Force at Parliamentary Force, but Shiajar Aspa Sanpulangut Nakiru Paidba. Ka West Castle District Kadan Kandai Taliki active case, Southwest Castle District Sun, Ripoy District Shispa Sanpopra, Hakaba Lai Puengut Kirenaka Armed Force at Parliamentary Force, but Shispa Arpanyongut Kiru Paidba. Ka West Giantia Hills District Kadan Shipho Taliki active case, East Giantia Hills Arspa Nyopusan, West Garo Hills Prapusan, Hakaba South Sangut Kirenaka Armed Force at Parliamentary Force, but South Puengut Kiru Paidba. Ka Southwest Garo Hills District Kadan Kharar Taliki active case, South Garo Hills Sun, Kibadek Rio Paidba, East Garo Hills Hinyo, but North Garo Hills Khandrio Taliki active case.